evening to all of you. We will have more people joining in, but till we have them on board, I think let's start. Let's start, and they can access the recording later. Okay. And before we begin, I would request you all to keep your mics and cameras in an like keep them off. बीच में कुछ पूछना हो कुछ बोलना हो तो just unmute yourself and ask. ठीक है? It's just us only. कुछ ऐसा नहीं है कि you have to wait for me to finish and then towards the end we will take up the question and answers. बीच में आपको कोई भी question हो, wherever you feel like knowing more about that or asking anything, just go ahead. This is that one webinar जिसके लिए I have done zero preparation. Slides भी I told my husband कि ये लिख के मुझे एक PPT बना के दो so that I have something on the screen and I can go in a flow. So let's go ahead. So in our webinar series, yoga is something very close to my heart, and like I mentioned in my journey audio also, I wouldn't have been where I am if yoga did not come back to my life. Yoga is much more than what we see or it apparently is to us. It's way more deeper than what we know about it. And I wouldn't have learned it that ways if I did not come across the team Pause and Learn, Ankur Bhaiya. They are not just my mentors, but they have given a very different meaning to my life and my life as a mother to Vian. ये सब चीजें किसी और इंस्टीट्यूट से या कहीं और से योगा सीख के शायद वैसे मुझे नहीं आती. Yeah, sorry. So it like we talk about therapists also, हमारे बच्चे को जब therapies की need होती है, it's not that occupational therapy, if it has helped one child, it will help all other kids, or a particular therapist's techniques have worked for one particular child, it will work for another child as well. Whereas OT to OT hai, but the way your therapist trained you, the way that therapist worked with the kid makes a huge difference, makes a lot of difference. So let's see how yoga came into my life, how it made a difference for me, what yoga actually is, what more we need to know about yoga. So before I proceed, so this you all already know, like at Segan, it's not just homeopathy. Some of you know me as a homeopath. Some of you know me as Vian's mom. Many know me as a yoga instructor and a sound healer. And many know me as like the parent classes, training programs, and all that we are doing under Segan Mantra. So that's all different things that we do under Segan. Today we are here to talk about yoga. So before I move ahead, anyone here who would want to share what according to you yoga and mindfulness is, and how has your experience been, if at all you have been into yoga in this lifetime? Anyone who would want to share? So I had.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Yeah, I'm doing actually yoga since around more than 1 year. My experience is yoga gives mental stability.
That's
it is
true.
like a meditation only.
Yeah.
This is my experience.
And those of you who do not know Sarika Di, she is a doctor herself, an anesthesiologist, and we all know, like, yoga is, though it is a non-evidence based practice, but a lot of research and studies have now come up which prove how yoga brings about a change in your overall state of being, as well as the internal, how it restores the internal balance, the brain waves, the neuroplasticity, and all the technical and fancy terms. You will see yoga getting along with that now. So many a times when I get into this discussion of yoga with anyone, these are the common things that the common answers that I get. Yoga is, like, mostly people say it is asanas, but yoga is more than just the asanas. हम अभी आगे discuss करेंगे. To some, yoga is a lifestyle. So we have to bring that change within to exhibit it out as a form of a lifestyle for us. Yoga is not just the harmony in your physical body, but a harmony between the mind and the physical body. Only when that, when the two planes interact and get along with each other in a harmonious way, we feel that state of well-being, that state of health, that feeling good वाली वो जो बात आती है, that comes. And yoga is awareness in various perspectives. अब कोई ज्वाइनिंग करेगा तो प्लीज आप लोग में से कोई एक जन ट्राई करके देखना. हो सकता है रैंडमली कभी मीटिंग स्टार्ट होने के बाद वर्क कर जाता हो. प्लीज गिव इट अ ट्राई. ओके. And we all are aware what benefits yoga gives. तो सबसे कॉमन चीज या सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज जो हमारे मन में आती है कि why should we get into a yogic practice for us or for our kids is for that calmness. वो जो हमें peace of mind चाहिए होता है with all the hustle and bustle, all the therapies, सब calm, everything, like all that we are going through in the entire day. तो हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हम अपने लिए एक पीसफुल स्टेट, पीसफुल मेंटल पीस, स्टेबिलिटी के लिए वी नीड some form of yogic practice. And for our kids also, we feel that yoga will help us. And how it will help us? By improving their concentration, focus, strength, flexibility, balancing the tonicity. So all these things we are known of, we are aware कि इन सब चीजों में योगा help करता है. But how exactly? See, we can't make our kids do yoga the way we do, the way adults do. Neither can we expect to reap all the benefits by just practicing it in a fun and a play way. So there has to be a balance in the way we approach or we adopt this practice. Yeah, so there has to be a balance in which we approach to this particular practice. When I shared my, no, not in the journey audio, but long back, like 2-3 months back, when we were starting with our batch 2 of parent yoga training program, तब मैंने एक audio message में details share की थी, and I had mentioned that yoga is how I got into yoga. So I was, always in that stressful state कि therapy जाना है, आज गए तो और कुछ नहीं हो पाया, and what did the therapist do? Then उन चीजों का plan बनाना, लिखना, and then trying my ways out कि इसको कैसे execute करना है. तो उतना pressure build हो चुका था कि looking at all that stress on me and my husband, my mother-in-law suggested कि तुम लोग ना अपने ऊपर ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हो, तो you call somebody home who can come and make you practice yoga. So that is where we started. और जैसे जैसे थोड़ा थोड़ा योगा को समझने लगे, and it's not that I haven't done yoga in the past. Way back in my childhood days, I participated at state level competitions. ऐसी flexibility थी कि मतलब पूछो मत आप. So it's not that yoga was not in me. I was always into it during my childhood and school days. Up to standard 9, I remember बहुत मतलब it was a part of the routine. लेकिन होते होते life takes you through various stages and phases, तो चीजें छूट जाती हैं. But when once again it came into my life, our life, I somehow felt that ये जो हम इतना भागदौड़ कर रहे हैं, and I know no science behind how exactly an occupational therapy is working, how exactly a speech therapy is working, ये कौन सी नई चीज है, ABA, VBA और इतने सारे terms. But first year पूरा went after the diagnosis, first full year went into this. मतलब अगर हम एकदम अपने प्रॉपर वाले लैंग्वेज में बोले तो इस भागा दौड़ी में गया और कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा था. सिर्फ ऐसा होता था जिस पेरेंट ने बता दिया, वी यूज्ड टू जस्ट रन आफ्टर दैट कि ये भी हम ट्राई कर लेते हैं, ये भी ट्राई कर लेते हैं, इससे भी कुछ बेनिफिट हो जाएगा तो व्हाट्स द हार्म, लेट मी जस्ट गो अहेड विद दिस. सो वी फिर कर अच्छे थेरेपिस्ट्स मिले, लाइक डॉक्टर अंजलि जोशी, डॉक्टर अर्चना कदम का अच्छा गाइडेंस मिला. पुणे में एक सिद्धि करके थेरेपिस्ट है, who we assume that she was an ABA, but she's not an ABA, but she's quite good with the practice. तो काफी guidance मिला उन लोगों से. And I won't say that therapy hasn't contributed at all. First full year until I got into yoga, जो हुआ therapy से हुआ, but at the same time the results and the changes that appeared were not stable. जैसे अभी आप लोग बयान को देखते हैं तो यू टेल मी ना कि इतनी चीजें कैसे आई एंड हाउ इज इट दैट थिंग्स डोंट कम बैक. देयर आर सर्टेन थिंग्स व्हिच कम बैक. जैसे अभी लॉकडाउन में इनिशियल 2 months बहुत अच्छे गए एंड देन देयर केम अ फेज जब इसका विजुअल सेंसरी थोड़ा सा स्क्रीमिंग शाउटिंग कुछ टाइम के लिए बढ़ा एंड देन अगेन आई स्टार्टेड प्लेइंग द साउंड हीलिंग bowls and everything for him and he calmed down within like 10-15 days का continuous वो play करने से he got into that peaceful and calming zone. So this is something which it clicked to me कि जब हम इस चीज को एक later stage of life में adopt कर रहे हैं and we are trying to understand and experience its benefits at different levels and in different areas, in different dimensions, so why can't it work for Vian? So I just started taking him with me to the studio and just being exposed in that environment, in that beautiful aura, I could feel that little change in Vian. Then एक बार अंकुर भैया को हमने घर बुलाया था. आई एम नॉट अ पर्सन एट ऑल हु वाज एवर इनटू mantra chanting, havan and puja and part, not even idol worship. Like I was so out of this. मुझसे अगर हिंदू माइथोलॉजी का कोई एक क्वेश्चन पूछ ले तो लाइक अगर कोई जीके एग्जाम या कोई माइथोलॉजी एग्जाम हो तो आई वुड फेल. मतलब मुझे कभी उस चीज का एक्सपोजर ही नहीं रहा. So but somehow Vian is born in that मूल नक्षत्र and all, so we had done his puja. उसके बाद भी चीजें सॉर्ट नहीं हो रही थी तो जो जैसा बोलता था ना हम करा लेते थे. तो when I met like when I came across pause and learn, तो ऐसे इन लोगों से मैंने सुना कि हवन करना चाहिए और मंत्रास प्ले करने चाहिए और ये करना चाहिए और वो करना चाहिए. तो सुन के आई यूज्ड टू डू एवरीथिंग कि ठीक है करके देख लेते हैं and things were working, like thoda bahut it was working until I developed a good and that deep interest. Things were working just okay kinds. फिर एक दिन भैया को मैंने घर बुलाया कि आप एक छोटा मोटा कोई हवन कर दो क्योंकि घर में आई somehow feel कि बहुत नेगेटिव एनर्जी है. तो if you feel that छोटा सा कुछ हवन करने से अच्छा हो सकता है तो प्लीज कर दीजिए. But Vian is very scared and he has that resistance towards music, थोड़ा loud noise and that smoke, that fumes of हवन. इनफैक्ट वो मंदिर की घंटी भी सुन के उस टाइम ना बहुत एंग्शियस हो जाता था. तो मैंने उनको बोला कि आप करना हॉल में बैठ के, मे बी माई हस्बैंड विल सिट विथ यू एंड आई विल टेक वियान इन अनदर रूम, तो हम ये करेंगे. और यू वोंट बिलीव गाइज, इसके पहले जितनी भी घर में पूजा पाठ हुई है, सुंदरकांड का पाठ हुआ, मूल नक्षत्र की पूजा हुई, रुद्राभिषेक हुआ, बहुत सारी पूजाएं हुई, स्पेशली आफ्टर द डायग्नोसिस. जिसने हमसे जो बोला हमने वो सब कराया. वी डिड नॉट लीव एनीथिंग. जिसने जो बोला लिटरली हमने वो कराया. वी अरेंज्ड फॉर थिंग्स, वी checked for मुहूर्त and everything and we did that. And Vian never cooperated. ऐसी कोई पूजा नहीं है जो घर में हुई हो and Vian did not, like, you know, cried out loud and to keep him calm in that 1, 2, 3 hours जितनी भी देर पूजा चलती है was a big task. पर ये जब हुआ ना, जिस दिन अंकुर भैया ने पूजा की, वियान was the one जो उनको हाथ से उठा के बोल पास कर रहा था कि आप इसमें से आहुति दो. And he sat throughout. उसने हाथ में उनसे अमृत लिया, सब किया. मतलब it was I sometimes really feel कि काश मैंने वो वीडियो, वो कुछ moments उस दिन के कैप्चर किए होते, but I somehow I missed it because I was least prepared कि ये कुछ करेगा भी. So that day I realized that energy, aura, आपके आसपास क्या चीज है, करने वाला कौन है, the person who's delivering a thing, that matters more than the thing itself. फिर धीरे धीरे और एंड देन आई डिसाइडेड कि मुझे सिर्फ योगा क्लासेस करने नहीं जाना, मतलब सिर्फ अपने लिए योगा जैसे हम अभी वीकेंड पे करते हैं, मुझे वो नहीं करना. आई वांट टू लर्न दिस साइंस, आई वांट टू नो मोर अबाउट इट, and to this level that I can help Vian. If this is something which is working for him, just that energy around, that surroundings, so why not? So I started looking for the courses, क्या होता है, कैसा होता है. Pause and Learn में तब ये कोर्स था भी नहीं, और मैंने उनको बोल के रखा था as soon as a batch is formed, please start it. I am interested. आपको एक भी जन और मिलता है, whatever is the fee, and if you can do this, please do it. And I am so thankful to the divine forces कि मुझे वो चीज़ उस मोमेंट पे क्लिक की, क्योंकि अगर वो आज मुझे पता चलता ना कि योगा भी एक चीज़ है और हम कर सकते हैं आफ्टर गेटिंग इनटू स्पेशल एजुकेशन, तो शायद मेरा वो इंक्लिनेशन नहीं आता. But I'm so thankful to everything that directed me towards this, even before I knew what special education is. ये तो बहुत बाद में पता चला, पता ही नहीं था तब. So I used to, in fact, मैंने एक बार डॉक्टर अंजलि जोशी से भी पूछा कि मैम, is there any small little course that I can do with which I can help Vian? And she said नहीं, OT itself is like a 4 years course. छोटा कोई दूसरे courses आपको करना हो, art therapy, play therapy, तो you can do. They are also beneficial. But you can't do a full-fledged, like कोई degree course नहीं कर सकते आप. It will take a lot of time, money demanding होता है. So ठीक है, I decided that I'm going ahead with this yoga course. फिर धीरे धीरे योगा के बारे में जब in depth जाना, चीज़ों को समझा, and learned about sound healing also, तो समझ में आया कि योगा is definitely, ये सारी चीज़ें हैं जो हमने फर्स्ट स्लाइड में डिस्कस की, ये सारी चीज़ें हैं, but yoga actually in a scripted way by Sage Patanjali it has 8 components. Yoga अकेले asanas नहीं है. In fact, in the entire that scripted book of yoga, जिनको हम योग सूत्रास कहते हैं, जो सेज पतंजलि ने लिखी थी, उसमें केवल 3 सूत्र ऐसे हैं जिसमें आसनास के बारे में बात की गई है. Otherwise 195 sutras talk about all other things that come under the umbrella of yoga. Yoga itself means union. Union is nothing but the union of absolute with हमारा जो real self है उसके साथ खुद को unite करना. Yoga is concentration, या आप यूं कह लो कि yoga is the union of this, our body, our soul, which is one drop of this entire universe, the whole ocean. Unite this with the ocean. So this is yoga. But जाना कैसे है, how to reach there? We have to get into yoga, which consists of or is composed of these 8 components: यम, नियम, आसन, प्राणायाम, प्रत्याहार, धारणा, ध्यान एंड समाधि. नाउ ये सुन के ऐसा लगता होगा कि ये बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स चीज है, व्हाई छोड़ो, व्हाई डू वी हैव टू गेट इनटू दिस. बट ट्रस्ट मी, अगर हम डायरेक्टली आसना से स्टार्ट करते हैं ना, वी डोंट reach to that point where we can reap the benefits of yoga. जो हम चाहते हैं अपने बच्चों में देखना कि उनकी स्लीप स्टेबल हो जाए, उनमें वे फोकस और कंसंट्रेशन आ जाए, उनके गट इश्यूज रिजॉल्व हो जाएं, उनका अटेंशन स्पैन बढ़े, हाइपर एक्टिविटी रिड्यूस हो, is not going to happen just with asanas. The other thing we talk about breathing practices, breathing exercises, जो हमारे काफी बच्चे कर भी लेते हैं. Some do it by imitation, some do it by learning, like when we teach them with in different ways. So they do that. लेकिन just doing that exercise mechanically without being aware of that breath, like अभी हम जैसे weekends पे भी करते हैं, and if you can recall, whenever I guide you through that pranayama or meditative practice, I always say feel how you like try to feel the sensation, the ingoing breath. So unless you are aware of every single breath going in, it's not going to give you those benefits. So asan or pranayam, they are definitely two very important limbs of yoga, but not the most important or not the whole yoga itself. यम और नियम, हम शुरुआत यहाँ से क्यों करते हैं? यम एंड नियम, when we talk about this is more of living in a disciplined way. Yam is in the context of सोसाइटी, सोशल ऑब्लिगेशंस, एक सोशल लेवल पे हमारे जो डिसिप्लिन होने चाहिए ना, उसमें और भी डिटेल में आता है, काफी मतलब डिटेल्ड है. जैसे यम में 5 होते हैं, नियम में 5 होते हैं. नियम इज मोर टू डू विद हमारा अपना ऑब्लिगेशंस विद द सेल्फ. ठीक है. आसनास में देयर आर more than 84,000 asanas into existence, but हम सारे नहीं सीख सकते और सारे हमारे काम के भी नहीं हैं. So we identify what will work for us and how do we have to take it ahead, where to start, how to take it ahead, and where to pause or get into an advanced level. So there's a theory behind it. पूरा एक system है, ये science है. Yoga is very scientific. In fact, अगर हम इसको बहुत गहराई से देखें तो आर ऋषिज, दे वर नो लेस देन द साइंटिस्ट्स. हमारे जो ऋषिज थे, उन्होंने सारे हमारे इंटरनल एनर्जी सिस्टम, पूरा ह्यूमन बॉडी इंटरनली कैसे डिजाइंड है, इट्स देम हु हैव डिस्कवर्ड एंड रिटन इन द बुक्स. एंड नाउ धीरे धीरे in bits and pieces things are being proven in the scientific context as well. So yoga is very scientific. Then after asanas come pranayam. ये हम क्यों बोलते हैं? जब तक हम अपनी फिजिकल अवेयरनेस नहीं लाएंगे, इट्स डिफिकल्ट टू गेट डाउन टू द डीपर लेवल्स एंड बी अवेयर ऑफ द लेयर ऑफ प्राणा इन आवर बॉडी. देन प्रत्याहार. प्रत्याहार इज नथिंग बट अ विथड्रॉवल वाली वो जो एक चीज होती है ना, हाउ यू विथड्रॉ योर सेल्फ फ्रॉम ऑल द प्लेजर्स अराउंड. तो एक अगर सिंगल लाइन डेफिनेशन उसकी बोले या मीनिंग बोले तो प्रत्याहार इज विथड्रॉवल ऑफ द सेंसेस. सारे सेंसरी जो प्लेजर्स होते हैं उनसे खुद को काटना, एक तरीके से वीन ऑफ करना. एंड दैट कम्स ओनली व्हेन वी हैव attained or gained a good command over asanas and pranayamas. Then comes that state of dharana, dhyan, and samadhi is the destination. धारणा एंड ध्यान में बहुत थिन लाइन डिफरेंस है, बट इट्स अ सिग्निफिकेंट डिफरेंस. धारणा जब हम कहते हैं, इट इज वन पॉइंटेडनेस या एक वन पॉइंटेड फोकस किसी चीज पे. सो लाइक हम कहते हैं ना, हमारे बच्चों का कंसंट्रेशन नहीं है. हम अगर कोई हमें गाइडेड मेडिटेशन करा रहा है या हम किसी एक पर्टिकुलर चीज पे फोकस करना चाहते हैं, तो डू आर thoughts don't come as an obstacle. क्या हम किसी चीज पे एक उस वन पॉइंटेडनेस के साथ फोकस बना पाते हैं? नहीं. इट्स अ प्रैक्टिस, इट कम्स विद प्रैक्टिस. सो ये धारणा इज नथिंग बट मेडिटेशन, जिसमें हम एक किसी भी पर्टिकुलर चीज पे फोकस करते हैं, एंड दैट इज ईदर अ थॉट और एन ऑब्जेक्ट और एनीथिंग. इट कुड बी एनीथिंग, बट some one thing on which you try to settle your focus. ध्यान इज जब आपको उस एक चीज की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती, आप बस लीन हो जाते हो उसमें. यू गो अ लेवल above that meditative state, above that one pointed state, and you come to a level of meditative state. This is dhyan. So dhyan is actually meditation. Dharana is maybe just the concentration, a step that you take before you reach the meditation thing. And samadhi तो खैर हमारे बस की ही नहीं है. Then yoga is a journey, like I said in the beginning also. हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हमने योगा कर लिया, हम हमारे डेस्टिनेशन पे पहुंच गए and we are sorted. But yoga is a journey and it is for the lifetime. मुझसे बहुत लोगों ने batch 2 के पहले I had many inquiries for the training program, and many of me asked, me, many parents asked me कि अभी हमारा बच्चा 2 साल का है, 3 साल का है, so is this the right time to introduce yoga to him? Definitely not, because physically, mentally, psychologically, बहुत सारे लेवल से अगर हम देखें तो particularly yoga per se बच्चे के लिए अभी नहीं है. Maybe 4 years, 5 years is the right age. But when it comes to introducing yoga, why you can't? See, this is something which is going to be with you for the lifetime. And our children learn the best from us. It's no one else who can teach them this. I'll come to that also. So it's a journey. हम जिस दिन चाहे हम उस दिन से start कर सकते हैं, because it is a journey to the self. It is a journey of the self. और हमें इस journey में कोई नहीं लेके जा सकता सिवाय हमारे खुद के. And when it comes to our kids, who knows our kids better than the parents? Sorry. Yeah. So it's a very beautiful journey, and this is not something which I am saying. This is a quotation which I've picked from Srimad Bhagavad Gita. गीता में ये लिखा हुआ है कि योगा is not just the destination. It is definitely the destination, but it is a journey itself. उसी जर्नी से होते हुए आप उस डेस्टिनेशन पे आ सकते हैं. You can't take any other path to reach this destination of yoga. Yoga is balance. This again, if you see the definitions of yoga, हमें सबको पता है कि yoga restores balance. Science में we use the word homeostasis, medically, like not in science, but medically हम एक word use करते हैं homeostasis, which is the body's mechanism to keep itself in a balance. चाहे वो hormones हो, temperature हो, whatever it is, but to keep the body going in a balanced state, there's a mechanism which we call homeostasis. Yogic language में अगर हम बोले तो वही योग है. When your body is in a harmony, your mind and body are in a state of balance, that's yoga. और गीता में जो बात आती है, जैसे डिफाइन किया गया है योगा को, इट सेज समत्वम योग उच्यते. बैलेंस नॉट जस्ट एन अपैरेंट या कोई ऐसा बैलेंस जो आप मेजर कर सको, बट इट इज एट द वे, एट द लेवल ऑफ योर फीलिंग्स, योर थॉट्स एज वेल. समभाव में रहना, समत्वम योग उच्यते. उचित योग वही है जो आपको समभाव में रहना सिखाए, नो मैटर व्हाट, दुख हो, सुख हो, जो भी हो, but you always are in that state of calm, in that state of balance. Yoga is awareness. Again, it is awareness about self, awareness with the self, and being aware of the space in which you are lying. Now, I'm sure many of us can relate this term when we say spatial awareness. The therapists work with our kids. They say he's not aware of his self. इसीलिए motor planning में issues आते हैं. स्पेशल अवेयरनेस नहीं है, इसीलिए फंबलिंग होता है, वॉक करते में बच्चा लड़खड़ाता है, बैलेंस इश्यूज आते हैं. It's difficult to get them into breathing practices. So there are lots of things which are various dimensions from which you can see that state of awareness, which definitely comes with yogic practice, but it is not so easily achieved. जो हमने 8 limbs की बात की, we have to cross those stages and then we attain this level of awareness. And this is what exactly we want to develop in our kids. Somebody is waiting. Yeah. So awareness is that one thing which we want to develop in our children. And we always think कि हम योगा करा के सिर्फ आसनास करा के कर पाएंगे क्या ये? तो yes, it is difficult. सिर्फ आसनास से physical awareness आएगी. Asanas is the physical form of yoga, just the physical form. But there are lots of other modalities which come under yoga, and it's not just the asanas जिस पे हमें restricted रखना है खुद को. In fact, with Vian, if you ask me, asanas we have practiced the least. हमने ज़्यादातर meditation और अवेयरनेस लाइक योगा निद्रा एंड ऑल, हमने उन चीज़ों पे काम किया है which has got him into that zone where he is compliant enough and listens to me. Now if I ask him to do something, he will do. I don't have to put in a lot of efforts. So for adults definitely वो यम नियम आसना हम वैसे start करते हैं to reach that level of awareness, but with our kids it is sometimes different. Not sometimes, with all our kids it is different, and parents know the best. Then Panchkosha. Now, when we do the whole training program, we study these things in detail so that we can understand where exactly the system needs to be corrected. जैसे एक medical language में अगर हम बोलें तो we first need to diagnose कि प्रॉब्लम क्या है, एग्जैक्टली प्रॉब्लम क्या है, उसके पीछे कॉज क्या है, कहाँ पे कौन सा पार्ट अफेक्ट हो रहा है. बेस्ड ऑन दैट यू डिसाइड और फॉर्म अ प्रिस्क्रिप्शन. बिना डायग्नोसिस के आपका प्रिस्क्रिप्शन नहीं बनता. Then, so similarly, when it comes to understanding where exactly is the imbalance in the body, within the energy body, which is manifesting in the form of आप देखो कुछ बच्चों में toe walking होगा, कुछ बच्चों में sleep disturbances होंगे. Some of our children have a lot of gut issues. Some of our kids have good language, everything good, सब कुछ अच्छा है, लेकिन hyperactivity बहुत है. So all these things are appearing because of some disturbance within at some internal layers. So our human body, if we see the spiritual anatomy, this is like not the medical way of understanding the human body, but spiritual anatomy बोलते हैं हम इसको. It is composed of 5 layers. The outermost layer is Annamaya Kosha. तो हम जब asanas practice करते हैं तो we are working majorly on the Annamaya Kosha. When you integrate it with the pranayama practices, you are also reaching a layer below, a layer within, which is the Pranamaya Kosha. प्राणमय के बाद आता है मनोमय कोश. तो ये सब हम डिटेल्स में we discuss all these things in details in the training program. So Annamay Kosh, Pranamay Kosh, Manomay Kosh, Vigyanmay is the intellectual level, and Anandamay Kosh, wherein that feeling of peace, that blissful state that is felt. Then now when I understood yoga from a different perspective, I could relate it very well after being through all the different therapies कि हमें हमारे बच्चों पे जैसे behaviors correct करने हैं तो हमें ABA के पास जाना पड़ता है. Speech language पे काम करना है तो we go to a speech and language pathologist. OT for motor activities, for daily living activities. I'm sorry, but there are people joining in. Just a minute. And then there is a relationship development therapy, कुछ ऐसा नाम है. Then there is dance movement therapy. So there are many different types of therapies. बहुत सारे therapies हो गए हैं अभी. We have to actually see what out of these will benefit our children. Yoga has a very holistic approach. मतलब trust me, after like I shared in my journey also, initially जब हमारे पास कुछ नहीं था, जब हमें डायग्नोसिस मिला ही था एंड आई हैड द लीस्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ ऑटिज्म, जिसने जो बोला हमने सब किया. वी फेल्ड, वी स्ट्रगल्ड, कुछ अच्छे रिजल्ट्स भी आए, वी सॉ सम सक्सेस. स्टार्टिंग में जब होम्योपैथी स्टार्ट किया था अंडर सम अदर डॉक्टर, 1 महीना पूरा वेंट लाइक टेरेबल. वी आर यूज्ड टू बी अवेक टिल 3 AM 4 AM. हम उसको ले लेके कहाँ नहीं गए, मुंबई तक ड्राइव करके गए हैं. एंड दिस all happened like and I kept on asking my doctor, मैं stop कर दूं, and he was like कि आप खुद होम्योपैथ होके ऐसी बात कर रहे हो मैडम, आप पेशेंस रखो, things are just coming up on the surface, let it release. ठीक है, हमने पेशेंस रखा तो 2-3 महीने बाद ही settled a little bit. फिर चीजें आने लगी, तब तक इसका occupational therapy start हो गया था. Again we did not know क्या है, क्या goals and all until we met Dr. अंजलि जोशी. फिर उन्होंने बताया, फिर वहां से सिद्धि के बारे में दोबारा उन्होंने रेकमेंड किया, वी वेंट टू हर, फिर वी स्टार्टेड वर्किंग विद द विजुअल कार्ड्स, तो चीजें हो रही थी बिट्स एंड पीसेस में, ही वाज पिकिंग अप एंड देन अगेन देयर वाज अ फॉल, अगेन पिकिंग अप, देन देयर वाज अ फॉल, फिर वी स्टॉप्ड हिज होम्योपैथी विद द डॉक्टर, आई टुक इट अप इन माय हैंड्स, फिर OT के लिए we stopped going to the local therapist, we started taking a home program from Dr. Anjali Joshi. तो ऐसे करके छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स में, पीसेस में चीजें हमने चेंज की, एक्सपेरिमेंट किया, we try to understand things from various perspectives. But when I adopted this particular approach of yoga, I was trying to find something which gives Vian everything with one thing itself. मतलब सब चीजों के लिए अलग क्यों भागना? Now since I come from a homeopathy background, I'm a homeopath myself, तो I have never really been into that mode कि आंखों का प्रॉब्लम है तो हम ऑप्थेल्मोलॉजिस्ट के पास जाएं, और gut issues है तो हम एंट्रोलॉजिस्ट के पास जाएं. So it's always been like that holistic. So I had this thing in my mind कि I want something which is holistic, something which is holistic. क्या ऐसा मैं कर लूँ कि सारी चीजें उससे हो जाएं. And then आप किसी भी थेरेपी को देख लीजिए, हर थेरेपी में we talk about first creating a bond with the child, developing that healthy relationship with your child. That helps the child get this message कि मुझे भी कोई समझने वाला है. I am also understood. I am also being loved. There is somebody who is not here to just teach me and work with me in that therapy mode. There is somebody who's my friend, who is there for me no matter what happens. And all these things only come when you come into that state of calmness, in that state of balance. And I wouldn't have achieved it if I was not into yoga. आज ही किसी ने ग्रुप पे लिखा था, and I just reading that message, I had a smile on my face कि thank God for the kind mercies that you showed me this path, and I am here today where that calmness reflects. मुझसे पता नहीं कितनी बार मेरे फैमिली वालों ने बोला है कि तुम इतना योगा करती हो बट तुम्हारा वेट तो लूज नहीं हो रहा. सो व्हेन डिड आई इवन ट्राई टू लूज माय वेट विद योगा? आई नेवर रियली गिव इट अ ट्राई. आई हैव बीन वर्किंग ऑन अदर थिंग्स विद दिस एंड इट हैज वर्कड फॉर मी. सो इट ऑल डिपेंड्स हम किन डायमेंशंस को देख रहे हैं, हमारा अप्रोच क्या है, हम कहाँ चेंजेस चाह रहे हैं. अगेन दैट लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन ऑल्सो कम्स टू प्ले. हम चाह क्या रहे हैं, what is our expectation, what do we want that universe to give us. So that is what I was looking for, and yoga came to me as a solution. And we did not start with the postures. At the same time, I came across these channels on YouTube where they show yoga in a fun way, story yoga, rhymes yoga. I tried everything with Vian. Matlab, I went to all those jumping movements, jumping like a monkey and a dinosaur and caterpillar and everything we did. I joined a school here as a summer camp teacher. वहाँ पे हमने किया, बहुत मस्ती किया, योगा किया, सब कुछ किया, and it was really good. Kids really enjoyed. But it is only it gives only that level of benefits कि बच्चा आपसे bond कर पा रहा है. He is ready to listen to you, because you can't go in an adult fashion कि ऐसे करो, raise your hands, breathe in, come down. So you have to go reach to the child in a different way. There's a different way to work with a child, a different way to work with an adult, different ways to work with the seniors. पर वो काम कैसे करना है, किन चीजों पे काम करना है, will come only when we understand the science in its depth. तो I put Vian, I enrolled him for some yoga classes nearby, जहाँ से ये खेल के मस्ती करके कूद काट के आ सकता था. Then I took him along with me to the studio. तो मैंने इसको adults वाले, बच्चों वाले दोनों तरह के classes करा के देख लिए with zero results. सिर्फ उसको जब हम यहाँ जाते थे तो that he used to like that place, but it was not एक वो जो हमें होता है ना कि अब हमने योगा स्टार्ट कर लिया, अब हमें बेनिफिट्स दिखने चाहिए, अब हमें इसके रिजल्ट्स मिलने चाहिए. सो आई वाज लुकिंग फॉर दैट. तो क्यों नहीं आ रहे रिजल्ट्स? अब तो वो योगा भी कर रहा है, अब तो वो स्टूडियो भी जा रहा है, अब तो वो यहाँ भी जा रहा है, अब आने चाहिए रिजल्ट्स, अब आने चाहिए. बट क्यों नहीं आ रहे थे? बिकॉज माई एंग्जाइटी, माई प्रेशर, माई स्ट्रेस. क्यों नहीं आ रहा, क्यों नहीं आ रहा? I was not working on myself. I was not trying to develop that understanding कि what exactly will work for Vian and how exactly to take it in a therapeutic way. हम किसी भी चीज को अगर therapeutically कर रहे हैं तो we have to understand it from other in different ways. Other dimensions also we need to see. So that is how basically I merged the two things, playful way, kids way, but working with the scientific attitude, the science behind it, not like randomly कि बस हमें कराना है. And then we started with some yoga nidra, we started with some meditation, then gradually I learned sound healing, we incorporated that as well. फिर एक पॉइंट आया जब मतलब दैट इज अ वेरी इजी टूल, क्योंकि बच्चा जब सो रहा है यू जस्ट हैव टू प्ले द बोर्ड, सो यू डोंट रियली हैव टू वर्क हार्ड लाइक यू डू with yoga. So that came as an easy tool, but overall these things helped us reach that state of balance. And उसके बाद तो ऐसा लगता था जैसे कि बस something magical has happened. We had a very different and a changed Vian with us. Not just Vian, I see the change in me also. I don't know how many of you know me like from the time of diagnosis, but those who know me would know the change in me. So that's how yoga works. And when I like I'm written here therapeutically, so it has therapeutic powers, just like Manju keeps saying na, play is therapeutic, but you don't have to impose the play on your kids कि अभी खेलो ऐसे खेलो, then फिर वो play नहीं हुआ. Only when play is done in a play way, it is therapeutic. Similarly, yoga is therapeutic, but जब तक उसकी science पे आप काम नहीं करोगे, definitely they are kids, so we have to work in a playful way, but we also need to understand the underlying science behind it. Then it will help you understand कहाँ पे हम कौन सी therapies को replace तो I wouldn't say, but हाँ किस therapy के parallel हम काम कर सकते हैं. See, that again depends on all each child, each parent, how your outlook is, how you see it, how you perceive it. I completely stopped all the therapies after getting into this. Your role with your child. Now again, why we say that our kids learn things differently, and there is no therapist who can work with our kids the way we understand our kids. But problem कहाँ आता है, gap कहाँ आता है? We as parents do not know the technical aspect of things. They as therapists do not know our kids from emotional and other perspectives. तो वो जो gap आता है ना, इसीलिए we both fail sometimes. ना therapies result दे पाती हैं, ना हम as parents बच्चे पे काम करके वो result ला पाते हैं. And this is one big reason what got me into everything where I am. Like yoga me I first plunged into, then sound healing. So what was the need to get into the special education? But I could foresee things. Ki education is something which is going to go for long, and occupational therapy I can't go into, speech language I can't go into. So if this is something which is of 2 years and college मिल गया भोपाल में घर के पास and manageable सा लग रहा था, तो I said ठीक है निकल जाएंगे 2 साल किसी तरह. Let me get into this. But this is the time when I can still think of getting into something. As Vian grows, things will get difficult. So everything has its own value. What I was talking about, so you as a parent can fill that gap. हम parent बच्चे के लिए therapist बन सकते हैं, but we can't expect the therapist to play the role of parents with the child. So we have to understand things. Either we take some training programs or we explore, experiment, try to learn ourselves. जैसे भी करने हम, but we have to become our child's. We have to become our child's therapist. And when I say we have to become our child's therapist, I don't mean कि हमको बहुत technical way में therapy करना है, या we have to give that message to the child that you have a therapist at home now. It always has to be at the back of our mind कि ये चीजों पे हमें काम करना है, इस पे ऐसे काम करेंगे, इस पे ऐसे काम करेंगे, just that structure. But you don't have to miss that motherly element or the fatherly element in you, that bond is what will help us sail through. हम वो चीज़ 1 घंटे में कर सकते हैं जो थेरेपिस्ट 4-4, 6-6 थेरेपी सेशंस में नहीं कर पाते. The only thing is we just need to know that technique and our own creative ways to get that done. That's it. तो वो टेक्निक समझने के लिए when I was figuring out कि मैं कहाँ कहाँ जा सकती हूँ, तो काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें ऐसी थी which were either very expensive or very time taking. Like 4 years we can't invest. 4, 6, 8 lakhs we can't invest. So this came as something which was affordable in both the ways. तो मैंने योगा certification किया. This is by the Ayush Ministry, so it was good. I did that, and I thought कि चलो ये मैं इतना सीख लूँ बस कि क्या कैसे होता है, so that I can work with my child. And after learning, going through that entire course, level 1 QCI YCB board का yoga certification board का, in collaboration with Ayush Ministry, this level 1, they have 4 different levels. आगे भी देखेंगे, time मिला तो I'll definitely go ahead with level 2, then 3 and 4. But this has taught me a lot. It has been a beautiful journey, learning the whole science itself, appearing for the exams, meeting other people who were there. So it's been a great journey. Like क्योंकि मैंने उस चीज़ को सिर्फ just for the namesake नहीं किया ना, तो it has given me a different experience altogether. And parallelly, I was working with Vian, working with myself, trying to feel and experience that change. So it's us who need to change first, and then see, I've written here, change your lifestyle and not just an hour. When we go for yoga sessions somewhere, or we want to enroll our kids to a place where he can go and do yoga for an hour or so, it's not going to help us much, because we need to make this our lifestyle. It should become the way of our living. ऐसा हम नहीं कर सकते कि आज हमने या alternate days या weekends पे या every day पे आप कह लो, सिर्फ 1 घंटा हमने उस चीज़ को किया practice, and then we lived it, rather not practice, but we lived it for that 1 hour, and then we are in our own beautiful materialistic world. So things don't really expand that way. वो वैसा ही शेप ले लेती हैं जैसे हम मोस्टली एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं. If you learn this science, you don't have to restrict yourself to that time limit, है ना. इसीलिए, so the next line which is here, there are multiple opportunities during a day to bond with your child, and in that bonding only, in that play way, you can keep working with your child with all the yogic practices that you learn. We as parents know our children's strength and weakness, what they like, what they do not like, what is it that's something which will definitely get them into the practice, what is it that one thing which I have to totally avoid, when to do, what to do. All this only a parent knows, and no professionalism works with our children, but only love, bonding, understanding, that patience. This is all that works. And if nothing is working, we can always start by imitation. Once our children learn that imitation, they learn the body parts, we can definitely start exposing them to yoga. At least utna to hum kar hi sakte hain, no matter whatever is the age level, even if it is say 2.5 or 3.5 years, our kids can definitely and always imitate us and do some yogic postures. Then like we discussed, yoga is not just the asanas. There is so much more to it. Asanas, there is mudras. Mudras again is a very beautiful practice जिसमें आपको कोई effort नहीं लगता, but there is a stipulated time and a particular hand gesture जितना आपको practice करना होता है to see the results following in a week's time or 10 days or a month or so. Then there is pranayamas, then mantras. Mantras पे अभी हम एक webinar कर ही रहे हैं, and I would insist, अगर थोड़ा सा भी आप में से कोई believe करता है that these things do bring about a change, these things do make a difference, try and make it for the webinar. because Ankur Bhaiya is that one person who I've come across who doesn't see things or doesn't accept things very easily unless he finds out the the scientific elements behind that. And once you understand the science of something, no, चीजें इतनी they become so beautiful and you develop such an interest for it कि results अपने आप आते हैं. If I was to just play some mantra chants or sing some mantras, it wouldn't have happened the way it does now when I understand things. कोई भी चीज जब हम समझ के करते हैं ना और सिर्फ blindly follow नहीं करते, it does leave a different impact. Then there is meditation, और meditation में भी फिर बहुत सारे होते हैं. There is yoga nidra, there is guided meditation. सबका अलग अलग impact है, अलग अलग तरीके हैं करने के. Sound healing, like I said, it has come as a different and very easy tool to us. उसका अपने आप में एक बहुत deep और बहुत calming impact है. So for sound healing, again, there's a separate training program which Bhaiya has already started, and some parents, I know a few here, 2 of you here who have enrolled for that program also, and you're doing it. And it is something very, very good when it comes to our children, जिनको कुछ भी कराना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. So this is one thing which is like जैसे therapeutic listening होता है ना, you just have to put the headphones and make the child listen to that music. This is something like that. When the child is in a sleeping state or doing some activity, you have to play the music for him and the music will do its job. So there are different practices. So let's not just restrict ourselves to the asanas and pranayama. Then at Segan, we have a few programs. Yoga for Parents Weekend batch we have recently started from this month. Then there is a yoga training program for parents. When I say for parents, it's not directly with the kids that we are working, but like I said, see, there are two ways. Either we hand over our child to somebody or we try to learn the thing ourselves. I always preferred doing the second, कि हमें सिखा दो, जो सीखना है सीख लेंगे, हम सब सीख लेंगे. Because ultimately when my child is with me 24/7, I know how to manipulate, how to be creative, how to add things to it, how to remove things and create that balance which will work for my child. So I have always, like in all the areas, I have always opted the second thing. इसीलिए I designed this training program. Like I initially, till the time I could make this program, मेरे से कोई भी पूछता था group पे, even on the WhatsApp groups, I always used to recommend them कि जो मैंने किया है level 1 वाला yoga course आप भी कर लो. But doing that will not help much because that is also very demanding. सिर्फ एग्जाम्स दे के पास होने वाली चीज नहीं है. You have to actually practice and study a lot. उसमें बहुत सारी और चीजें आती हैं. And then you have to do some additional things to learn the way how it will work for our kids. So whatever based on my experience, knowledge, learning came to me, I tried to design a small little program which covers the scientific part of yoga, how it works on any person, not just the special needs children, on any person. But I am not doing this program for other parents because somehow I am all into for our kids. अभी मेरा कहीं मन ही नहीं करता कुछ और करने का. So it's not that this program is not for adults, not for the neurotypical children. It is for everyone क्योंकि yoga is the same for everyone. But here in this program we learn specifically how to diagnose exactly कि हमारे बच्चे की ये 5 symptoms हैं या ये 5 चीजें उसमें हमें दिख रही हैं. तो what could be the diagnosis in terms of energy body, the spiritual anatomy, कहाँ कौन सा चक्रा imbalanced है, कौन सा element imbalanced है body में, and with what yogic practices we can balance it. So basically we learn how to diagnose and how to form a prescription. फिर उस prescription को administer कैसे करना है, that is all play ways, जो वो भी हम discuss करते हैं. But then again there what plays a major role is your creativity, your ideas, your understanding of your child. So this is one training program that we have, and I am planning to start this from 1st of October. First, let me just check first को day कौन सा पड़ रहा है. 1st of October is a Thursday, next Thursday. ठीक है. So first say I will start, and what I'll do is, those of you who are there already on the Telegram group and on emails, I'll quickly float a message, maybe tomorrow morning, what and all the details about it, so that we are good to start from first. Whoever is interested can enroll. It will be a month program, can stretch to 2 months. 1.5 to aram se jayega, but it can stretch to 2 months. And this time it will be majorly with the pre-recorded sessions, and once in a while, maybe once in a week, once in 10 days, we can meet up live for the question and answers, some posture correction and other things. Then there is a sound healing training program, which I would have conducted, but since I know, like, अंकुर भैया से जब कोई चीज आती है ना, it comes very differently. So that is onto him. The sound healing, अगर training program के लिए किसी को जाना है, तो you can definitely reach out to me, and then I can like get you connected with here. Sound healing and meditation sessions. This is for those parents, those people. This I'm doing for others also, like not just our kids or our group of parents. But this is something like during this pandemic times, we were initially doing this only at the studio, but during this pandemic times, we had so many parents, so many people from different parts of the world asking for sound healing online sessions. So we went into that, pre-recorded sessions, but individualized. Not that कि हमने 7-8 recording कर ली and everybody uses that. Unless a session or a thing or any particular modality, if it is not individualized, it doesn't work as a therapy. फिर हम एक जेनरिक वे में काम करते हैं, तो इट विल ओनली वर्क इन रिलैक्सिंग एंड कामिंग. तो अब हमारे पास अगर एक ब्रेन ट्यूमर का केस है और एक कोविड पॉजिटिव केस है, आई कांट सेंड द सेम साउंड हीलिंग सेशन का रिकॉर्डिंग टू बोथ द पीपल. ही विल हैव डिफरेंट सेट ऑफ सेशंस, he will have different set of sessions. So that also we do. And like from last 3 months around, I have started making sessions for our kids also. So because there are parents who couldn't really manage to afford that heavy amount of the training currently. So they thought we actually want to start with these sessions and see how it brings about a change. So I started with the online sound healing sessions. Initially हमने live किया with 1 or 2 kids, but live again is sometimes there's a disturbance at your end, sometimes at my end, and that power cut fluctuations, so वो चीजें disturb करती हैं and it doesn't give a healing impact on your body. So we move to the recorded versions. So these are the few programs related to yoga which we do at Segan. And the end, yoga is like a geologist for your soul. It can show you where to dig, what to dig, but digging you must do yourself. See, so we are never at rest. We always have to just keep working. So thank you so much for listening to me, keeping that patience with all the interruptions in between and everything. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, please go ahead, guys.
From next Thursday it is starting, right? 1st of October.
Yeah. Next Thursday. Sarika di na?
हाँ, it will be recorded, pre-recorded.
हाँ Sarika di, there are some sessions which are pre-recorded and some we will take up online. So what I'll do is we can actually form a group wherein we can take up the discussion how exactly we'll go ahead. All those who are interested can let me form a group and post a link on the Telegram Sigan Mantras page. Okay, for whoever is interested, we can join the group and we'll discuss how do we take that.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay.
Meena, are you still there? Meena or Jyoti, two of you had joined who are from the previous training batch. I don't know if they are here still. I mean, they are here, but I don't know if they are still listening. If they can just share their little experience, how this training program was for them. Meena or Jyoti, any one of you, if you are listening to me. Jyoti, I am not sure if this is the same Jyoti. Any other question, guys?
So this program means after starting it will be for how many months?
So they actually last time what we did was we took the theory in audio recordings, which I used to share on every weekend. Throughout the week, you go through those audio recordings, and we meet up on the weekend for practical sessions and discussion. Beach में we
Hello.
met for Q&A also. Jyoti,
Hello.
हाँ ज्योति
Hi,
just एक
Khushbu.
हाय
Sorry.
हाय ज्योति हाँ ज्योति जस्ट एक मिनट रुकना मैं इनका सारिका दी का आंसर कर दूं फिर आप बताना तो हाँ सारिका दी तो इट विल बी लाइक फॉर 1.5 month लेकिन मोस्टली रिकॉर्डिंग्स विल बी विथ यू तो आप उसको आराम से सुन सकते हो and I have given these recordings to all the people who have joined in the previous batches forever. Matlab, it's not that I'm taking it back or I have put it up for a limited period of time. It's with you forever. But we do meet online in between क्योंकि बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी हैं जो 1-to-1 जब तक हम interact नहीं करते हमारे questions resolve नहीं होते. And after you get into this, जैसे आपने sound healing का भी training किया था and you know आपने तो भैया को सुना हुआ है ना how deeply things are like how deep we have to understand things and how these are interconnected. तो जब हम उसको पढ़ते हैं उसके बारे में ज़्यादा गहराई में जाते हैं तो हमें समझ में आता है कि ये questions भी हैं ये questions भी हैं. So to discuss that we meet live.
Yeah.
ज्योति ज्योति आप हो?
हेलो
हाँ
हाँ हाय खुशबू सॉरी वो
हाय
स्क्रीन चेंज कर दिया हाय
कोई बात नहीं हाय मैं ये कह रही थी कि अभी आप कुछ थोड़ा सा शेयर कर पाओगे आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम का सो दैट पीपल गेट एन आइडिया व्हाट एग्जैक्टली दिस योगा ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम फॉर पेरेंट्स इज
वेल बहुत ज्यादा तो नहीं बट हाँ ये था कि खुशबू इंसिस्टेड मी जबकि मैं बहुत ज्यादा नहीं थी उसमें कि मैं ज्वाइन कर पाऊँ क्योंकि थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है टाइम का उस टाइम पर ज्वाइन करना मेरे लिए दिक्कत होती है बट व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड तो बहुत वंडरफुल एक्सपीरियंस रहा मेरे लिए हालांकि आसन्स में बहुत ज्यादा नहीं कर पाई अपनी कुछ फिजिकल प्रॉब्लम्स की वजह से बट मेडिटेशन मैंने किया और खुशबू ने जैसे जैसे मुझे बताया मैंने किया बट मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा एंड इट वाज अ वंडरफुल एक्सपीरियंस आई मस्ट से एंड रिकॉर्डिंग्स अभी भी हैं मैं जब भी मौका देखती हूँ तो करती हूँ बट रेगुलर आई एम नॉट एबल टू डू खुशबू वेरी सॉरी
that I know Jyoti I know your circumstances are somehow not in the favor But I just wanted you to share in that 2 line how exactly it impacted you, whatever little you could practice, and how was the journey overall, है ना?
Actually, asanas I could not do. I did meditation most of the time. Whatever meditation you have given in the recordings, and मुझे बहुत पीसफुल लगा जब जब मैंने किया. बहुत अपने अंदर मैंने कुछ शांति महसूस हुई, बहुत पीसफुल मुझे महसूस हुआ. हाँ, बस ये मेरी एक कमी रही है कि मैं उसको रेगुलर नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. अदरवाइज इट वाज अ वंडरफुल एक्सपीरियंस. एंड खुशबू, यू आर द बेस्ट. मेरे को जब भी मैं सुनती हूँ मुझे लगता है कि आपसे बेस्ट टीचर तो मुझे कोई मिल नहीं सकता. इवन आई से माय हस्बैंड टू कि आप देखो खुशबू की रिकॉर्डिंग्स एंड यू डू प्रैक्टिस.
Oh my God. Thank you, Jyoti. Thank you for that.
एक्चुअली उससे पहले भी योगा सेशंस मैंने कई बार किए हैं स्कूल टाइम में, बट इतना एक्सप्लेन, इतना डिटेल्ड में किसी ने भी नहीं बताया.
And you know, guys, I'm so happy with the way Jyoti has taken it up, because Jyoti की circumstances सच में काफी खराब थे. She joined us with in the batch, first batch. फिर हमने batch 2 भी open किया first batch के लिए, because first batch कहीं भी जब हम start करते हैं तो there are a lot of issues that come in between, and mostly here it was technical things, the power thing at my place and many things. But the way whatever little she could do, जैसे ही मैंने वो मंत्रास वाले वेबिनार का अपलोड किया, Jyoti sends me a video with a scientific explanation of Gayatri mantra. So that is, you know, आपका खिंचाव होने लगता है चीजों की तरफ. योगा इंटरनेशनल डे आ रहा था तो she was the one who shared on the group all the different videos कि ये करना है, ये प्रोटोकॉल है. So that has been really. Thank you for that, Jyoti. Thank you for sharing your experience.
Most welcome. Thank you, Khushbu. Thank you so much for giving me the chance. Otherwise, तो I would मैं बिल्कुल भी नहीं उसमें थी कि मैं ज्वाइन कर पाऊंगी, क्योंकि टाइम का इतना इशू रहता है मेरे साथ. आरव को देखने वाला कोई नहीं है घर में, एंड जब भी सेशन होता है कुछ ना कुछ इश्यूज हो ही जाते हैं कि मैं ज्वाइन नहीं कर पाती हूँ.
I know that, Jyoti. No worries. पर आप इसको करते रहो. Now it is there with you for the lifetime. And you know, guys, once we bring it into our lives, it easily slips into our children's life. Otherwise, it is difficult to, you know, make yoga a lifestyle for our kids. हमें खुद को adopt करना बहुत जरूरी है कोई भी चीज.
Yeah, you're true, खुशबू. एंड कंसिस्टेंसी वो जो मैं नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, दैट इज रिलीजियसली करना बहुत जरूरी है.
बिल्कुल. चेंजेस अलग लेवल पे दिखेंगे. Meena, yeah, can hear you.
Yeah, sorry, it was
Meena, no?
I just drifted off to sleep.
Acha guys, so sorry. Meena is in Australia and I kept calling Meena. So sorry, Meena, to wake you up. Never mind. I was just asking if you could just share your experience with the training program that we did together.
Yeah, no, it was good. Like just when I started, I didn't realize yoga was all of it. I only thought it was just asanas and stuff. But the way you explained it in all the details and went into a little detail of everything and flexibility that was available, because being in Australia, I couldn't attend the live sessions. All therefore somehow with the recordings and availability to do in my own time and follow it up with you, it was great. And like I know so much more than I actually did before I started, and whatever I could do, it really helped. And I think I'd need to bring that niyam into the yoga practice, and I think it will help a lot. I started with a little bit and I'm already seeing changes. So thanks for doing everything the way you did, and also knowing the fact that you are available anytime if you need to clarify anything or ask questions.
That I'm always there,
you know. Peace of mind.
Yeah.
I still got the list, you know, the session, like your music files and stuff. Like sometimes I just go in there and find them. Oh, let me listen to this. There's so much in it.
Yeah. So there is a lot.
It's
Actually,
great.
I have tried my best to, in this months and 2 months time to give you all that I can that helps you go a long way. It's a thing for the lifetime. It's not that कि हमने अभी सीखा हम इसको सिर्फ 1 साल और यूज कर सकते हैं 2 साल और यूज कर सकते हैं. This is something for the lifetime. So I've tried to put everything like worked really hard to make it so yet productive. सारे elements उसमें इस तरह से आ it becomes easy also for you and it is structured also so that you know how and what to pick up from where and how to put it to use. So thank you, Meena. Thank you for sharing your experience. Anyone has any questions, guys? Otherwise, we'll just wrap up. The whole idea of meeting today for yoga was to, to convey this
Hello.
message that yoga is more than asanas. Hanji.
Hi Kushbu, Prachi here. Actually,
Prachi.
my question is regarding mantras. जैसे my son Arnav, he is 8 years old. तो हम लोग भी घर में mantras like we are used to put it on in the morning, evening, and being Maharashtrians, evening में जब बोलते like Shubham Karoti and all, he knows everything. But now he have learned everything. Now the problem is that he keeps on talking all the time. तो गायत्री मंत्र है या शुभम करोति है या फिर जो भी नंबर ऑफ 10-12 श्लोक्स ही नोज या 15-20 तो ही कीप्स ऑन रिपीटिंग. तो वो क्या हो गया ना, इंस्टेड ऑफ गिविंग एनी पॉजिटिव इफेक्ट वो रिपीटेटिव उसके सेल्फ टॉक में आता है या फिर ही इज पर्टिकुलर अबाउट मुझे यही वीडियो यूट्यूब पे यही लगाओ एंड वही लगाओ, उसमें वो चला जाता है. या फिर कोई मंत्र सिखाया तो वो मतलब सिर्फ लर्न करना है उसको, लर्न तो कर लिया उसने बट कभी भी बोल देगा कभी भी. तो दैट इज माय क्वेश्चन कि सो मैंने स्टॉप कर दिया फिर ये सब करना, अभी सुबह में इवनिंग में भी नहीं बोलते.
So is it that Prachi is making it like a pattern with everything, चाहे rhymes हो, Bollywood songs हो, या it's happening only with the mantras?
No, it's with everything. बॉलीवुड सॉन्ग्स भी है या फिर और भी कोई रहेगा तो जैसे उसके ओन वीडियोस मोबाइल में रहते हैं वो भी उसके लिए भी है वो.
So see, that is something where which is a tendency in most of our children where they form patterns and it gets really difficult to break this pattern of repetition. या बहुत ज़्यादा self talk आता है तो we have to expand their language there. So with mantras maybe you can start giving him those mantras written in like Hindi text, English text, make him read, make him write. तो बाकी skills आप उसमें add करते जाओ. But it's good in a way, instead of talking something else, he's always in that chanting mode, which is somehow going to help him only. ये जो in fact अभी भैया webinar करने वाले हैं जो science of mantras, he will talk about how each mantra and each syllable of that Sanskrit grammar has an impact on the body parts, how it जो साउंड होता है जब हम मंत्रास चैंट करते हैं, गायत्री मंत्र में जैसे सारे सिलेबल्स आते हैं, जब हम उसकी चैंटिंग करते हैं तो उसका बॉडी पे, ब्रेन पे, पूरी बॉडी की केमिस्ट्री पे क्या इम्पैक्ट आता है एग्जैक्टली. एंड सी वी तो फेल टू डू दैट. हम कोशिश भी करते हैं तो भी हम नहीं कर पाते हैं ना. किड्स आर जस्ट सो ब्यूटीफुल एट इट.
यस यस, एक्चुअली पहले बहुत अच्छे लगता था जब ही लर्न दिस श्लोक एंड ऑल, बट अभी वो अच्छे लगने से अच्छे कि रिपीटेटिव हो रहा है तो आई स्टॉप्ड नाउ एवरीथिंग. तो इंस्ट्रूमेंटल म्यूजिक लगा देती हूँ जिसमें कोई वर्ड्स लिरिक्स ना हो ऐसे.
But that is not the solution because that is not helping us break his pattern. इसीलिए उस चीज को आप अलग elements उसमें add करो. Instrumental is a good idea, तो maybe you can play the instrumental and tell him whatever he has learned. जैसे गायत्री मंत्र का instrumental play किया आपने and tell him to write it now or parallelly to read it. Whatever other skills you are working on, मतलब basically.
Yes. Okay. Yep. Okay. Thank you, Kushbu.
Okay, Prachi. Yeah. Any other question, guys?
हेलो,
यस।
अमृता बोल रही हूँ, खुशबू मैम।
हाँ जी अमृता जी।
हाँ, एक्चुअली मैम मुझे ये पूछना था कि जैसे आपने जो अभी ये प्रोग्राम के बारे में बताया, तो उसमें जैसे हम पेरेंट्स जैसे ट्रेनिंग ले लेंगे एंड
जी।
उसके बाद वही ट्रेनिंग हम आगे अपने बच्चों को भी मतलब सिखाएंगे, ऐसा ही होगा? ओके,
एक्चुअली ये ट्रेनिंग बेसिकली आपको यही सिखाया जाएगा इसमें कि कैसे आप अपने बच्चों में आइडेंटिफाई करो कि क्या प्रॉब्लम है और हमें उस पर कैसे काम करना है और बच्चों के लिए हम क्या ट्रिक्स यूज कर सकते हैं। सो ऑल दैट इज
ओके,
कवर्ड। इनफैक्ट आई
ठीक है।
वाज थिंकिंग फर्स्ट को जब हम स्टार्ट करेंगे तो फर्स्ट को आई विल टेक यू थ्रू द होल ओरिएंटेशन कि कैसा एग्जैक्टली डिजाइंड है प्रोग्राम। So
ओके,
maybe all those who are interested, हम उसका एक ग्रुप बना के and then we can meet up for an orientation session before you make your final call.
ओके, ओके, ठीक है, ठीक
Yeah.
है। थैंक यू सो मच।
Okay, okay, yeah. If no more questions, guys, shall we wrap up?
Khushbu, it will be yoga plus meditation also, right?
Everything, all the modalities that I discussed, yoga, mudra, meditation, mantras, like, see, it's again a very wide science, पर हम 1-1.5 महीने में जितना हमारे लिए needed है to design a plan for our own selves, for our kids, for the family, उतना definitely हम सारे concepts को touch कर लेंगे।
Actually, I
तो
want to do one request. If you add some brain yoga, yeah, brain gym, whatever
it's there.
we call that,
It is there.
you can
It is there. So it's
you can add
actually,
that.
see, I'll tell you,
हाँ,
हाँ, उसका मैं आपको पूरा डिटेल बताऊंगी जब हम ओरिएंटेशन सेशन एक करेंगे ना, तो वो मैं आपको पूरा डिटेल बताऊंगी. We do yoga based on chakras. I teach you how and what postures go for each particular chakra's balance. What mudras we can do, how the chakras are connected to the elements, how we understand which element is disturbed and how it is presenting itself in that disturbance. And हम कर कैसे सकते हैं? Apart from chakra yoga, we can do yoga sitting on a chair. So there is a session on chair yoga. Then there are 2 sessions on kids yoga, that playful way. Then there is a session on brain gym, brain exercises, brain yoga. तो वो भाई मैं आपको बोल रही हूँ ना, मैंने कोशिश पूरी की है सारी चीजें इस तरह से ब्लेंड करने की कि इट गिव्स यू ऑल द फ्लेवर एंड ऑल द बेस भी मिल जाए और सारे फ्लेवर्स भी मिल जाए.
yes, actually, I wanted the brain gym actually. Somebody should means teach that in a proper way.
वो सारी का भी you'll have to find out because brain gym अलग से एक कोर्स है पूरा. There are trained therapists, I don't know, therapists या brain gym instructors बोलते हैं. So I don't have an idea about that, but we do have a session planned in this particular training program which covers brain exercises, the left and right coordination of the brain, and the brain yoga, the brain exercises.
Yes, yes. Good. It was very nice.
Thank you. Thank you. So, you know what I'll do? I'll quickly make a link and post it on the group. अभी ही जिससे कि कल परसों तक हम लोग ग्रुप बना लें and then we can discuss the other things there on the group. ठीक है? It will be a temporary group. एक बार सब decide हो जाएगा, discuss हो जाएगा. Or maybe, you know what we can do? We can discuss on our discussion group itself and then we'll form the final group of those members who are enrolling themselves. So let's start the discussion in our discussion group itself. ठीक है? ADLs पे एक बार I'll just check if anyone has any more questions. Else we'll start with the discussion on yoga program. ठीक है guys, चलो, thank you so much, and more than anything, thank you for the patience you guys keep. Thank you. चलिए, good night. Good night everyone. Okay. Good night everyone. Yeah. Bye bye.
Good night.